Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makinay, and today we'll be discussing the long-awaited Gel Blaster Desert Eagle. This unit is from SPAEX, link in the description. Gel Blaster store here in the Philippines. This costs around 1,800 to less than 2,000 pesos, again, here in the Philippines. This is fairly unbranded, so I do not know what is the original brand of this one. But overall, the quality looks nice. See, it's ABS plastic, so it's good. Switch, battery compartment, surprisingly metal grip, bolt latch, but again, bolt latch. Non-working selector, safety, magazine release, mechanical one, limited ammo count, ammo storage, and release. Overall, looks fine. It looks accurate to the somewhat size of the real one. I haven't seen a real one, but based from what I've seen in the movies or in the pictures, size-wise, it looks real. Trades, I don't know if you can call this trades. Desert Eagle made Desert Eagle down supply pistol made in China. So that's it. Oh, this logo? I don't know what this means. Is this supposed to be the brand logo or Desert Eagle? IMA Technologies? Not so sure. Features. It's always full auto. That's it. You can make it semi doing little bit by little bit, but it stops it. It's has a mechanical switch, mechanical tactile switch around here, so the trigger response not so good, and it's a little bit heavy. Oh, switch off. Okay. So there's I said earlier, there's a bolt latch. So there will be no blowback. Actually, I prefer, if I want accuracy, I prefer this one because if you can see it, when you fire, it goes back. The piston is pushing this upper to the lower assembly to show the blowback motion. So it reduces the rate of fire. So if you hold it like this, it's faster and it's better. It looks less realistic, but it's fine. Battery space, very limited. You can only fit this type of batteries. Based on the label, it's 1400. I don't think it's 1400. So take care of this one because it has a very, very limited battery space. Batteries might be hard to search. BB capacity, gel capacity, since this is very limited, I don't think it will be more than 100. Very limited. But again, this is a pistol. Weight, it's light, very light. It's 500 grams probably. Nothing. Barely nothing. Actually, less than 100 grams. FPS, this fires around 150 FPS, something like that. Not so much. Since I'm looking at the barrel. It's not right. The barrel for this one is around here. 60, very limited. I'm planning to change the barrel length of stock RP9, I think, if I'm not mistaken, to extend the barrel. So, one, then I will design a compensator slash hop up probably to increase the FPS and accuracy of this one because it barely reaches the 10-meter mark. You can see in my shorts video me firing at it at have difficulty more than 10 meters. So you need to put it a little bit higher for it to reach. This definitely needs a hop up because this kind of toys that also fires at 100 FPS, if you put a hop up like this one, range becomes higher, longer, faster, and not so much. So definitely needed. Price at 1,800. It's a toy. Easy. Most of the units now, good units, high-end units around 8, 9,000, 10,000. So this is basically impulse buy. But it's fun. You won't be able to hurt someone because it's very low FPS, and for sure hard bullets might jam, so use only the light ones. It's a fun little toy, good for everyone. Just don't point on the eyes, there'll be no issue. You can actually shoot someone less than 5 meters and it barely hurt. So definitely a toy. Overall, if you have excess budget or toy budget, this is nice addition to your collection. It's cheap, it's fun, and it's not upgradable other than what I'm planning to do. It's a very good toy gel blaster. Okay, you can find it also in the link in the description. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, just do not hesitate to put down in the comment sections down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!